Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. We are excited to launch a brand new course, Green Energy Management in Hotels, from solar to smart storage. In this journey, you will discover how hotels can transform their operations by adopting sustainable energy solutions, reducing costs, and enhancing guest satisfaction. Hotels consume a significant amount of energy every single day, which creates massive operational expenses and adds to environmental challenges. When energy systems are not optimized, it directly increases costs and affects overall profitability. This course provides the right tools to transform hotel energy management into sustainable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly operations. This course is designed for hotel engineers and facility managers who handle energy systems and efficiency. It is also valuable for sustainability teams working on environmental initiatives and certifications. Finally, it benefits hospitality students and future leaders aiming to drive eco-friendly initiatives in their careers. The course is structured into 10 learning modules. Energy Fundamentals, where you will master the basics of consumption, demand, and efficiency. Renewable Solutions, focusing on solar, bioenergy, and hydrogen for hotels. Storage Systems, covering batteries, thermal, and hybrid applications. Smart Management, where you will learn to use IoT, building management systems, and AI. Sustainability Frameworks, guiding you through ISO 50001, LEED, and carbon neutrality goals, and so on. This course brings you real hotel case studies. You will see how resorts reduced energy costs by 25% through solar heating systems. Urban hotels optimized hybrid solar and battery solutions to manage peak demand. Luxury resorts converted food waste into biogas energy, and large convention hotels used ice storage to dramatically cut peak electricity bills. By applying what you learn, you will be able to reduce costs without compromising guest comfort. You will also enhance your hotel's eco-brand value, making it attractive to sustainability-conscious travelers. With smart energy tools, you can make data-driven decisions and lead green initiatives that set industry standards. This program offers 10 comprehensive modules with practical hotel-focused applications. It includes over 25 detailed case studies that provide step-by-step insights. The course is 100% designed for hotels, with interactive and visually rich content created for easy implementation in your property. Become a hospitality energy leader. Learn how to save energy, cut costs, and enhance guest satisfaction through innovative green energy strategies. Start today, and transform your hotel into a sustainable, profitable, and environmentally responsible operation that guests will truly value. Thank you for watching. Want to learn more and get certified? Register now on our LMS portal. https://hegsdc.com. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Hospitality Engineering for more updates.